Doubling down on the self-flying camera archetype, HoverAir has unveiled its new waterproof model, the Aqua. Following the Pro Max, a pocket-sized drone that allows for 8K follow shots, the Aqua hits the same mark while proving to be water native. At the press of a button, the drone is good to go. Even if thrown into the air upside down, the Aqua can correct itself. The bright orange drone utilizes a lighthouse controller for its orientation. Acting as a virtual tether connected to you, the strapped-on beacon keeps centimeter-level accuracy as the drone stays locked onto it. And if the Aqua wanders a little too far, the drone is capable of recalibrating its range all by itself. But say you burn through its 23-minute battery. In this case, the Aqua won't sink, but can rather stay afloat awaiting rescue. But outside of the battery limit, HoverAir's new model is tough to take down. The 8.8-ounce drone can take on winds of up to 38 miles per hour, all the while following at top speeds of 34 miles per hour. Capable of flying just 2 inches above the surface, the drone's camera supports 4K shots at 100 frames per second. Aqua comes with 128 gigabytes of memory, enough for about an hour of storage. And with a 1.6-inch display built in, you can preview footage without the use of your phone. With over 15 modes depending on the activity, the Aqua model is currently listed at about $1,000 for early ordering. The model is expected to be shipped later this year as HoverAir has exceeded its sales goals by well over 1,400%.